Are these working?
Yeah. Amwetu, Chat GPT, AI assistants, and more. Translator, vacations, going places. We have an application driven Google type glasses, a smart glass. And we're going to demonstrate a little bit and show you what the application and how to work the camera. Let's get going. I wear glasses, and these do not have Dopplers. They're just standard glasses. They are transitions. They will change in the sun in a minute's time or so, and they will lighten up back in the house. Also, you have replacement green sunglasses as well. They will collect some static and dirt. That's how these are. In order to pop them out and replace them, simply grab the glasses, push, and move. Grab one of the glasses, and you could put them in the way they came out. They snap right in. Sometimes it looks easy, and sometimes they're hard to do. And that's what it will look like with the shades. When the sun is out, we'll go and show you what it looks like. This is what you get. You get the glasses, cleaning cloth, the sunglasses, a vinyl type case, and instruction in 6 languages to go over. You have a dedicated cable for charging and a cleaning cloth to clean the glasses. They're made of plastic, not glass. When charging the unit, this has voice recognition. Simply plug in. You hear the unit talk. There are switches, speakers, controls. The application is open, VO3, charged 100%, and these are the features that you can do with the product. If you want to point something at the product and you want to take a photo or information like AI image recognition,
you're looking at a dark, flat rectangular object resting on a light-colored wooden surface.
And you want to stop it, you simply hit one of the buttons. There is no visual of the actual lens through the application that you're seeing. So let's do this again. There is the picture.
In front of you is a sleek, black rectangular box resting on a light wooden surface. The box features the text "Smart Glasses" printed in clean, white capital letters on its right side. On the left side,
And press to stop. Backing out is easy as hitting the home button. On the bottom here, we have a number of things. It gives you what you just read. It has the photo album of everything in the camera, a novice guy feedback, frequently asked questions about, and your username. Let's go over the features and functions. Here we have is your photo button. Single press it and double press it for your photo and recording. Single press it to stop the recording either side. And it shows you here, double press it to start the audio recording and single press it to stop it. It shows you to double tap on the side over here to play, and in the instructions you're going to long press to go to the next song, as well as sliding forward and back for your volume. Over here, long press for 10 seconds to factory reset your device. Powering on and off the unit is simply pressing on the button for 2 seconds for on, 5 seconds for off. Standby up to 5 minutes. Charging takes a couple of hours. It charges with the red light or blue light that turns off. A red light will show you that you're activating on the very bottom of the arm over here. Pressing on the button over here in the back will be a red to blue light as it blinks right over here, showing that the unit came on or off. Taking a video is simply hitting the button on the application. You hear the phone acknowledge and the camera on the window of one of the sides. We have AI assistance and voice recognition on the left side by a 2-second press or a long second press. This also makes phone calls where you could answer the call by a single press, long press to reject the call, and again, press again, double press to cancel the calls out. We are recording, and as simple as that. And you see the camera that I'm using of the recording. Taking a photo, taking a video, and doing an audio recording. Going into the album, importing. In the photo album, it says we have 06 items. This is Wi-Fi connected, so it transfers over via the Wi-Fi. We're going to import. HeyCam wants to join the Wi-Fi network. Allowed to connect to the Wi-Fi. And we have on top, loading up all the images. As it starts to load up, allow it to finish and complete. Once all the hourglasses are completed, we are ready to view. We have a 20-second, 21-second, 24-second video. Let's see our walking video, the last one. To delete the video, simply hit delete and delete off of the camera. To share the video, hit share, opens up to your favorite people. To save the video off of the glasses, allow access to your library and saves to your phone. We have audio recordings, pictures, a picture of a car. We have a cog setting that we can go picture watermarks and auto save. We have a check mark that we could check all and delete all at one shot. We're going to make a phone call. We muted out the ringtone. This is a test. 1, 2. We'll leave the microphones and step to the side. This is a test. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a test. 4, 3, 2, 1. And we'll decline the call by simply hanging up by a single press, and the phone is ended. And the phone shows back to the application. The glasses will get warm on the side when recording and in the on state over here. We have voice assistance and AI translations. In AI translations, we have on-screen translation that in one we are in a language and the other a different language. So here we could pick many different languages, as you can see. And on the opposite side, all the different languages. Basically, have the app between you and the person and simply, hey, what's your name? Hey, how are you? And it translates for you, just like that. Blue is me, red is there. Thank you, I'm fine. And this is AI today. Simultaneous interpretation. We have, again, different languages. You could start your translation and so forth. And over here in English. Hey, how are you? I am good. And you? Sure, let's go about it. You have to hit the button. Audio, left button. Hello, how are you?
Hello. I'm doing well. Thank you. How can I assist you today?
What am I shooting with? I believe you have to press the button to say what you want. Hi, what am I shooting with to film this smart glasses? A short press wakes up the voice assistants. Hey, how are you doing? Can you help me?
I'm doing well. Thank you. Yes, I'm here to help you. What do you need assistance with?
Long press wakes up your mobile assistants. 2 seconds. Hey Siri, what's the weather like? But you don't read it to you. But there it is. So let's give a single press. Hey, what is the weather like in the Big Apple?
The weather in New York City, the Big Apple, for the next 2 days will be quite chilly. On December 5th, expect partly cloudy skies with temperatures ranging from -6 degrees Celsius to 1 degree Celsius and humidity at 32%.
Now these are smart glasses. We're at 94% of this whole review. If I hit the buttons to bring down, it gives me information about I'm connected, wearing glasses, the recording settings. We can record a duration of 3 minutes of video, 15 seconds, 30, 1 minute, 3, 9 minutes, 12 minutes of video recording. We have a recording duration of audio of up to 2 hours, 30, 60, and 2 hours of audio. So this will do a lot. Has a firmware upgrade. You can reboot, factory reset, and unpair the unit. We showed you just about everything imaginable. Let's go out, get you some footage, and show you what it looks like in real life.
Hobbies working?
Yeah. The glasses don't shut off. They stay on all day until you shut them off. Well, we got some food here, daily shopping. We have the footage you need, daily vlog, just like that. And off you go. Got our snacks. Close on up. Get on out. So we got the smart glasses. You can see how the shades tinted, the glasses, transitions, they stay on. And you can grab some shots through the glasses by double tapping for video, single tapping for stopping. As the plane is ready to take off in a couple of seconds, and there goes the plane taking off. We got the glasses resting, and we'll lift up to show you the plane taking off. So we got the smart glasses. You can see how the shades are tinted, the glasses, transitions, they stay on.
That's a fascinating blend of personal, perspective, and technological documentation. It's almost like creating a first-person documentary of your surroundings as you move through them. Are you documenting this for a project, travel log, or just curious about what's being recorded? Either way, it's a vivid snapshot, both literally and figuratively, of everyday life intersecting with technology and infrastructure.
We've been out all day and we're at 40% level. The camera never shut down. It stays on in standby all day. Application driven, and here is the 40% shown. And there is no record of the size and capacity of the unit in the manual in the application whatsoever. Easy to record, easy to use, easy to go places with the glasses. They do a nice job, stabilization, looking forward, depending on the bridge of your nose and your vision. These may be something that you're looking for. And I hope you enjoy the glasses. The footage that you've seen are straight out of the glasses, not edited, modified for YouTube of the channel 1080p to 4K. Enjoy the footage. This is what you're looking for in a smart AI glasses. Thank you for viewing.